really feel dizzy and I don't feel like working, but I must finish 3 hours every day at least. And I'm planning to finish 8 hours today. And I'm already feel like not exhausted. I don't know how to put it. Dizzy. Um, Welcome to fixing my shit. Bar 30. I mean missing data. And I was discussing with the group some stuff about animations. They are working on the minions. I haven't worked on the story and on my demon for a very long time. I am the main programmer who was building the system, but I'm kinda held in the game design and story. In this one at least. After I finish the system someday, I will make my own games by using the system. Yeah, that's the problem. It's hard to rise them a little bit without screwing up that much. So maybe if I rise those, what have I done? I remember I wasn't super happy with the alignment of the stuff. They are not so aligned and I really hate it. But what to do? I mean, they look ugly if I move them a lot. I need some help, but I don't know what to do. Seriously, I'm not good at these stuff and I hate dealing with it. Anyway, so luckily I made this file, so it minimized my goofing off. So yes, we need to do a recursive helper for this thing. Let's add the name too. So whenever we delete something, and instead of deleting it like this, we call the code. So do you see this? Similar to this. And not this code. So so give me a second. I'm just doing it on haste. So if it is only one deletion, we just do one deletion, and if it is several deletion, then we do several deletions. So let me think for a second. So this is a pointer for the animation. So we can use it in here instead. And now we need to decide what's the pointer in here. So the pointer is this one. In this case. And the byte side is this one. the selected one. And the animation is this one. So we replace it with this one and we put it in here. So with that we are deleting one animation in this case, but in this case is a different story. We are selecting actually it is the same animation condition, so we can use this one, and in here we can use the bite of eye for a different size, and here we use this one again. But we need to check if this one contain it. If not, then it's not. So let's turn it. Once again, we didn't do any kind of saving, so we need to add action conditions from 0. And in this action condition, we add any name. And we add aim in here and aim in here, and we delete all of them, and it crashes. Yeah, I add one and I forgot the one. I see. Because we start from 0, so I should do the whole thing. Yes, okay. What's going on? He will tell me that these changes won't occur till you restart the application. And now we want to delete all of them. So if we go to 1, we delete 1 too. If we add 1, because apply says all, we can see 2 here. But if I change 2 in here, it doesn't change this one, because save doesn't apply to recursive. So it will be easier for me to make a reflection for the sides. Maybe I can create save to all to change all the same side, like if but even that no. That means I will keep checking and unchecking this when I deal with a huge amount of animations. Oh wow, save have a problem. I cannot fix this issue on the camera, but I need to save it here. Do you imagine that? I feel sick already. There's a huge possibility that the file get corrupted anyway. So this one is done, but we have a new one. I don't believe it. So we have a new problem. We will never ever start working on the engine apparently. And let's try to fix the accessory position problem. But first of all, let's see if the loading file is corrupted or not. Yep, it's corrupted. So we need to start over and find out later on. So let's make a new file, and we wanna try to figure out an issue. Funny, haven't I slept well or something? Why am I so freaking tired? Is it because I have some cold? That's it? Is that all it takes to make you tired? I mean, what the hell? What's wrong with me? Or is it just because I'm so freaking bored of this? Doing this over and over and over like 1 billion times. I forgot to add a layer. I wonder if that gets saved. This is the save for the AP. So I add another thing in my task list. Oh yeah, I fixed the problem of loading the file. What's wrong with me? And editing it. I don't need to close it anymore. But it seems it just became a habit. Just to make sure everything is alright. So it's saved. The save wasn't working once, but I fixed it because I changed a lot of stuff in the system. I changed how it's saved, the position. I changed it from list to dictionary. If in the future 10,000 or 3,700, as someone is studying this as a part of history of programming languages, and you were following the videos from the beginning, you can tell that there's a lot of screwing up in here. I forgot what I was going to say. And I forgot what I was testing in the first place. I might need to change a little bit. There will be a lot of changes after I make the engine, no worries. But there's a change that in my mind already. How the animation work. I need to connect the accessory slot with the animation. So in the third frame, for example, the slot can get changed. You see later on what the fudge I'm talking about. So let's add the Walker image so we can get the hands. And by the way, even though you see the name of the image here and the name of the image here, it doesn't mean that the system have two different images. And whenever he play the animations in the loop, he actually will target the same image. So no worries, it won't change. It won't change the image. Same reference. But I wonder if because I'm using different pointers that pointing to the same image in the same dictionary, will it make it slower? Because I know that the drawer, when it open the image and do 1000 loops, is faster than open 3 different images and do the loops. But I'm using the same image, but it use different pointers. Maybe the game file will be smart enough. I will make it in a way that it merge the pointers or something. I will take care of that if it makes any kind of lags. So let's pick the hand and give it a size and position. So you see it is 48 in here, but when I add it and click on it, for some reason it saved this in the center, but not the rest, only the first one. So something is wacky about it, and apparently it's only happened the first time. So saving is alright, but adding is not, it seems. So let's add it again. No, it's alright too. It's just like, are you freaking kidding with me? Oh. Excuse me. See? Something is screwed up. And I have no clue what it is. CPY 8.4. And not this one. I don't think this one. Apparently not this one. We just went through all of them and we couldn't figure out who was the criminal. Wait, this is the criminal. Um, These ones are reversed. This is the criminal, my friend. This is the center, and this is the form. What now? So let's give it another try. So let's add a right arm and a right arm um, accessory. And the first one is 48. Oh. What the? Am I seeing? What am I seeing? Calm down. Take it easy. Um, how can I check my classes, my code? Um, let's just stop the program. Fuck it. I said stop, not pause. Let's go to the accessory forms. And let's start with the center and then the form. But this guy is saving it as the form, then the center, and that's the mistake. When you fix an error and another error takes its place, you know that there's two screws out, not only one. And sometimes two screws out doesn't mean you are doing the right thing. No wonder it's only effect one. So let's go and add the accessory. When you see I throw random names, you know that I reached my limit. That I don't care anymore. Now what? Really? Don't show me this page. Uh, 96. Thank you. So let's save, edit the file, go there, and it's loaded in the right position, not down. And there you go. Problem solved. Hooray! But we have another bigger issue, this one. For the freaking 1 million time. I don't believe it, I screwed up the save and load. Once again. Unfortunately, I cannot show this to the camera. And I don't know if people are watching or not, because my friend just was watching last time, but that was a coincidence. Charity, call it charity, more than coincidence. So I have two choices, either to try to solve one of these guys, or just have a break. I'm getting tired of this. But I have 30 minutes more of work before I can say I'm free. Actually 10 minutes, but I want to make videos in 60 minutes long. But I can go and play and do whatever I want after I finish 3 hours of work. And I'm almost done today. But yesterday I didn't do any work, so today I should work 6 hours. Great. I said should, not must, but sometimes you need to be a little bit harsh on yourself. Besides, I want to work 6 hours today. But I don't want to work 30 minutes now. Oh god. So I was reading those while I'm in aqua silence. So we have animation issue, now renaming issue. It doesn't initialize all the names. I mean, if they were selected, and this is like very, very, very unimportant, unimpressive, just really unimpressive. But could it crash the system? That's the question. So let's try to figure out if this could crash the system or not. Oh man, that's me. I need to build a big example. I didn't save even the animation aim. Lord. Yeah, I'm sorry, fellas. But to be honest, this issue just broke my heart. That's been another work behind the camera. Let's end this before it becomes a fiasco. I should cut the end of the video, the last 5 minutes. But yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully next time you'll see me in the new series, Game Engine 3, because I'm not going to return to data integrity till I start working on integrity for the data system. I mean the attributes and skill system, which you didn't see me on YouTube work on it yet. I believe all my work on the system was made in LiveCode TV, right? Yeah, this system. This system needs data integrity, just like what I did to this system. And it needs some polish too. I mean, I don't like this page. And it seems there are some stuff missing. Maybe because it's heavily dependent on the script. And the script page is completely empty. Why? Oh, I need a map, sorry. I need to add one of these stupid X's. To unlock this with the game file, no need to load the map. This page, as you can see, the script wizard is completely empty. And it's because actually this page will deal with the quest and events and campaign and map teleportation, so more than one tab in here. But the first one is general scripting. The attribute system and the skill system is completely related to this one, and this one is completely empty. That's why I cannot tell how much missing from there and how much missing is in here. But this is for another day. Thank you for watching, and see you in game design, game engine design, or whatever that the play series I would call it.